Number 7. Vishnu, the preserver of cosmic balance, the god who returns again and again. What if the universe had a guardian? Not of creation, not of destruction, but of balance? Welcome to number 7 in our countdown of the most powerful gods across all mythologies. Today, we explore the divine force who steps in when chaos threatens existence itself, the calm, eternal preserver of the cosmos, Vishnu. In the vast and deeply symbolic world of Hindu mythology, Vishnu is not just a god, he is a principle, a force of order, a protector of dharma, and when the universe begins to fall apart, he doesn't watch from afar, he descends again and again. Who is Vishnu? Vishnu is one of the principal deities of the Hindu trinity alongside Brahma, the creator, and Shiva, the destroyer. But Vishnu's role is uniquely crucial. He is the preserver. While Brahma brings the universe into existence and Shiva eventually dissolves it, Vishnu ensures that everything in between remains in harmony. He is often depicted as a serene, blue-skinned deity, reclining on the cosmic serpent Shisha, floating upon the infinite ocean of existence. From his navel grows a lotus, from which Brahma emerges, symbolizing that preservation is the foundation of creation itself. At the heart of Vishnu's purpose is dharma, the cosmic law that governs morality, duty, and order. Whenever dharma is threatened by chaos, corruption, or evil forces, Vishnu intervenes. He becomes part of the world, he incarnates. The avatars of Vishnu. One of the most fascinating aspects of Vishnu is his ability to manifest in physical form, known as avatars. Matsya the fish, Vishnu's first avatar, appeared as a giant fish to save humanity and the sacred texts from a catastrophic flood. Kurma the tortoise. In this form, Vishnu supported a mountain on his back during the churning of the cosmic ocean. Varaha the boar. When the earth was dragged into the abyss, Vishnu appeared as a massive boar, diving into the ocean to rescue it. Narasimha the man-lion. Vishnu emerged to defeat a demon who could not be killed by man or beast. Vishnu became both and neither. The man the dwarf, a small figure who expanded into a cosmic giant, reclaiming the universe through intelligence rather than brute force. Rama the ideal king. One of the most revered avatars, Rama represents virtue, honor, and duty, overcoming evil in the Ramayana. Krishna the divine strategist, perhaps the most beloved avatar. Krishna serves as a guide and delivers the teachings of the Bhagavad Gita. Kalki the future avatar, yet to come. Kalki is prophesied to appear riding a white horse, wielding a blazing sword to destroy evil. Vishnu was often depicted holding four symbolic objects: the conch, the discus, the mace, and the lotus. These are not just weapons, they are reminders of balance between power, wisdom, and compassion. In the Bhagavad Gita, Vishnu reveals his universal form, a vision so vast it contains all of existence, past, present, and future. Why Vishnu matters today? His avatars remind us that solutions come in many forms through intelligence, patience, and purpose. So what makes Vishnu one of the most powerful gods? It's not just his strength, it's his strategy, his patience. True power isn't just about creating or destroying. It's about maintaining balance. Like and subscribe.